Good day, Sketchup for Schools friends. Let's make a sweet Playship. Click up on the hamburger menu there, and let's change the name to Playship. When you click OK, it'll say, where do you want to put it? We always put ours in the Sketchup Models area. You can create somewhere else if you want. Those save to the Google Cloud, and they will be there whenever you need them. Choose the Select tool, and we need to remove our buddy Mike. Mike's job is to give us a sense of the size of the objects that we draw in our model, but we are going to remove them right now by clicking the Delete key on the keyboard. This right here is called the origin, and I would like you to click the rectangle tool, let go of the button, and then click the rectangle tool again and let go of the button. Go to the origin, notice the white box that tells you the origin. Click and let go so you can move your hands to the keyboard and type 8 with the foot symbol and then a comma and then 6 with the foot symbol and press enter. It immediately makes a 8 foot by 6 foot rectangle that we can play with. Choose the line tool and then click a second time for the line tool. Move your mouse along the top edge and you'll see a cyan midpoint marker. Stretch that out along the red axis and type 4 feet and press enter. From that point, click back and connect one corner, and then from that point again, click back and connect the last corner. And then find the eraser tool and erase those inside lines, so we now have the basic shape of our ship. Our next tool is the amazing push-pull tool. Click on the tool area and then choose it from our menu. Click the ship and release the mouse button so it's still adjustable. On the keyboard, type 1.5 with the foot symbol and press enter, and it'll immediately snap to that exact height. We need to select our entire object, and a cool way is for us to click the select tool and then triple click. Simply click 1, 2, 3 times and your whole shape will be selected. With that completed, click on that origin and lift it up on the blue axis and type 3 with the foot symbol so that it snaps to 3 feet above our work area. Sketchup for Schools does not have an autosave, so remember whenever you see this red save icon, you should save your project. The Orbit tool lets us look underneath